It can be argued that the most philosophic and epistemically profound question in human history is whether we are alone in the universe. The only questions that come close to the heaviness of this question is where did the universe come from, what happens when we die, and is there a God? What accounts for the intelligent silence of the universe? In his fantastic book, If the Universe is Teeming with Aliens, Where is Everybody?, Stephen Webb articulates one of the best solutions to the Fermi Paradox, in my view. One of the simplest and most brutal answers to account for the intelligent silence of our universe after all these millions of years is simply that there is life on other planets, but that humans are the only life forms that have the ability to communicate with abstract and symbolic language. And as Mr. Webb so keenly put it, it is likely impossible for any species to develop the ability to travel or communicate over interstellar distances without abstract and symbolic language, or an equivalent form of sophisticated communication with each other. Knowledge is hierarchical, and the ability for humans to communicate with each other like we do not only speeds up technological advancement, but facilitates it every step of the way with corroboration, experiment, and error correction. With that said, I think if we had the ability to travel to planets in our galaxy, we would find many with life on them, but they are universally silent because they lack human-level language capacity. Think about it. Can lions build radio telescopes? No, because they lack many things, including symbolic and abstract language. Can apes build space satellites? No, because they lack, among other things, symbolic and abstract language. If it wasn't for humans, Earth itself would be a part of the intelligent silence of the universe. But Earth is not a part of that silence because one species out of the evidently 50 billion species that have ever existed has the capacity for abstract and symbolic language. If it wasn't for humans and our phenomenal communication abilities, the Earth would seem just as dead and lifeless as Mars or Neptune, and that may be what accounts for the intelligent silence.